Alright guys, what we got here today is a little predicament. We had a storm blow a tree down yesterday, so we're here today to do some damage to it. I got the big saw because I think it's a bigger tree, but I'm not 100% sure, so we're going to take the big saw anyway because I haven't used it in a while, and we'll walk over there and take a peek-see-poo at it. Still have some oil in this big saw is the question. Yes, oh, I got a lot of it. All right, let's go for a walk. Oh yeah, broke off from over there in the neighboring property. Well, let's get to it. It is a larger tree, but I do believe this saw is overkill. Told there's some bulls over there. I really don't want them coming and eating on this, but I guess if we see them, we'll decide what to do at that time. At least want to try to get it off the fence. Here we go, Mike. That actually hurt. Ow. Oh. That's under contention. Which way is it going?
This fence is going to stand back up.
I think this fence is going to pop up as soon as I cut this piece. Tension on it, but not a lot. See what we see. Back to the pickup and grab the little saw and work on some of this other stuff. Last time I used that little saw, it was terribly rainy. You know what? I have some baling wire on this bench right now. Let's head back there and see what we can do. All right. The other saw's buried a little bit in here. So when I used this 16-inch saw, week before last, I think it's the last time I used it, it got real wet. I was cutting some trees in the rain. So I'm hoping it didn't get any damage. Let's find out. All right, we get the compressor fired up and get the 20-inch cleaned off. Then we'll head back up with this little guy. Telling you guys, if you do this every time, your life will be so much easier. And you don't have to do it perfect. Just get the big chunks off of it. I try to do that after every job with every tool. It's one of the reasons I have an air compressor in the truck. All right. I'll tell you what, guys, I don't know much about fence work, but I do know I have a roll of baling wire in the van. And I would be a terrible person if I didn't put this back up before I left. At least make an effort, right? It's not going to be perfect. It's going to be anything but perfect. But make the effort. At least then we'll have a visual barrier. To come back and tension it and stuff like that, because I don't know. I don't have the tools to do that stuff. Oh, see, this clip has that push down, so I'm going to have to get a little creative with this one. It's going to cross over. I'm not going to be able to pull this log panel up either, so alright, that at least gives a visual barrier. So if something walks up to the fence, hopefully bulls, they will maybe not come any farther. Of course, as you can see, yeah, this wire down here might just be hooped. But I think if they pull the clips off, they can, I think it'll come back up. And this barbed wire is all stretched. But the good thing is, where did I see that? Somewhere on this run of barbed wire. Oh, right here, right in front of me. That's where they tensioned it. So that'll be easy to fix. So, all right, let's cut a little bit of this up. I'm not going to be here too much longer. I'm tired. It's 3 o'clock Saturday. I've got to sharpen this saw something bad. Yeah, all right. We're just burning through the wood. This saw is way too dull. So there it is. There's the part of the tree on this side of the fence. There's the part on the other side. All right, let's head back to the van. All right, so here we are. I didn't put the saw back, so here's the 20, here's the 16. I didn't put it back where it goes. It's supposed to go under that shelf over there. I got to remember to sharpen this, and I'm worried that because I put it away all the time, that I just forget to take it out and sharpen it. So I'm going to remember to sharpen it. We've got the Ego 6 amp battery charging in the van here off of the solar generator. Pretty sweet. I'm going to plug in the GoPro to charge because it's almost dead, and down the roadie we go. I can't wait to watch that video back because that hurt when I fell. It's gonna be funny. Well, you guys have probably already seen it, I'm sure. All right, guys, see you next time.